She like gags herself trying to get the ball. She'll come back over and she'll go.
Carson, you want to go home? Carson, do you want to go home and see Clark and Addison?
No, she wants to stay here.
Do you want to go home and see McKenna?
No.
Daddy?
No.
You want to stay the night here?
You want to stay here with Aunt Titi?
No.
You don't?
You want to sleep outside?
No.
Do you want to sleep with Monkey?
No.
Do you want to sleep on the couch?
No.
Do you want to sleep at all?
Come on.
No, no, no. Carson, you're not taking medicine right now.
Want to go for a ride in the car?
No.
Want to listen to Gabba in the car?
No.
What do you want? Do you want to do a somersault? Want to do a somersault? Want to do a somersault, Carson? Go, go, go. Tuck your head. Good job. Want to do again? Do a somersault.
Oh, you don't want to break your neck.
Look at your toes. Good job.
Woo!
She knows now every time I say that to put her head on the ground. So,
Medicine.
Yeah.
you don't need medicine.
Medicine. Medicine.
Throw it. I definitely got that on video.
Poor baby.
You okay?
No.
Did Monkey get you?
Go get him. That was partially my fault.
Yeah. Partially. You mean fully.
I didn't think she'd walk all over.
That was great.